Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about one important topic in NLP. The topic is stemming and lemmatization. So first, let's understand what is the difference between stemming and lemmatization. And before starting that, I would like to say this is one of the important interview question as well. So in stemming, what we are going to do, and for lemmatization, what we are going to do. So these two techniques are basically get the root meaning of a word. For stemming, we are getting the root of a particular word, but that particular root may not have any meaning. However, in the lemmatization, we get the root word, and that root word will be having a meaning. So, if you see, I have written small class and that class name is find root word, and inside that class we have two methods basically. One is for stemming and another one is for lemmatization. So for stemming I have imported porter stemmer, and that porter stemmer method is present inside the NLTK library, and inside NLTK there is a class called stem, and in that stem we have one method called porter stemmer. In that porter stemmer, again we are creating one object called porter, and we are using that object and calling that particular class and passing the word. So for the second method we are using lemmatization, same, uh, which is present in NLTK library, and the method name is wordnet lemmatizer. And in that one wordnet lemmatizer we are creating one object for that class, and we are passing the word. Now if you see, if I pass intelligent over here, then for stemming it will give us the word called intellig, which doesn't have any proper meaning. However, for the lemmatization, if I pass the same word intelligent, then we get a word called intelligent, which has the proper meaning. So this is the difference, main difference between stemming and lemmatization. In most of the NLP work, we are using lemmatization because that will give the meaning of a particular word, and that meaning will help us to understand the context of entire sentence. The next thing, let's try with another word called going, and same word for lemmatization. Now, if I run this particular method, stem method, then it will give go. And if I pass the same, if I call the lemmatization, then it will give us going. So for this particular word, it will give the meaning for going. So we have meaning for go and going, but as you can see, stemming is changing the meaning of this particular word. So going is a continuous tense, go is a present tense. So it will changing the meaning or changing the context of this context of the sentence. So for lemmatization, we are getting the as it is. We're getting the word meaning as it is. So this is the difference between stemming and lemmatization, and this is a small video. Hope you like it. Thank you.